Well, day 3 of the build, and it's raining. So I'm going to be doing it inside here today. Main goal here today is to get all this off the deck and put a few screws up underneath to hold it in place, put it back down, put the bracing in, insulate the floor, put the top floor on, and yeah, go from there. I have the floor up on my couple of Pegasus work stands, got it all cleaned out, and now I'm going to start installing insulation. While not an overly difficult job, it was a bit time consuming to put in 1.5 inches of silver board insulation in the floor. Well, they say necessity is the mother of all invention. I had to figure out that's a 5 by 8 sheet of ACM aluminum. Little awkward to handle by one person. And it's only coming up to about right here. So it's not the full length of the trailer. But still, I want to get a nice bead of PL on all the framing, then lower that down onto the framing. And it's going to be hard for me to do that with just myself. So I figured out that I have it suspended by some tie-down straps here and kept off by a couple of Irwin clamps there. So what I'll do is I'll be able to reach in now, caulk all that, let those clamps go, which will lower that end. Then I'll release this here, and I'll be able to lift it up on this end and then pull it forward and lay it roughly out to the edge here. And there might be some maneuvering, but there'd be a lot less than if I was trying to manhandle this totally myself off the floor and lay it on top of this without getting PL all over the place. So, got the ACM in place, all clamped down along the edges. Some nice heavy weight, as in some over there. Got some rebar that I use for marking the driveway during winter, and I got my high lift jack here. I got some clamps put on that so it won't tip. And got lots of clamps around the edges, so I'll leave that until tomorrow when it will be set. And then I guess it's time to, well, there's some trimming that I have to do along some of the edges. The ACM was not exactly perfectly square, or the frame was not perfectly square. Anyway, it's a little bit of cleaning up that I have to do, which I'm not overly worried about. I did check the frame when it was on the base, and it was out by a 1/16 of an inch, which, hey, some people might be a big deal. To me, it's not a big deal. There you have it. This is day 3. This is where I'm going to end today, and tomorrow I'll be installing walls.